Now we are going to move to the introduction box where we're going to be placing a header with a paragraph. Okay, so let's go to our index.html file, and following the menu div, we're going to create another div. Okay, and we're going to give it an ID introduction. All right, and first we're going to have a header, and we're going to write this text in there, and then we're going to have a paragraph. Okay, and we can just copy paste this inside the paragraph. Okay, all right. Now let's add some styling to this new box. Okay, so first let's add the background color to our box. So we'll be accessing the elements of ID introduction. And since we're using linear gradients, we're going to use the background property rather than the background color. And then linear gradients. Okay, so the first color, let's pick it from here, from the top. And then the second one, let's pick it from the bottom. Okay. That looks all right. And then let's add some padding to our text. So let's go for 20 pixels, for example. Let's make it 30 pixels. All right. And also let's add some margin. Okay, so we need some margin top and margin bottom. Okay, so we'll set the margin property using two values. The first value is going to be for the top and bottom, and let's go for 10 pixels. And for the left hand side and right hand side, it's going to be 0. Let's have a bit more padding. Let's go for 15 or 16. Okay, that looks all right. And now let's style the header, okay, or the heading. So first we'll access the introduction box using its ID introduction, and then we are going to access the header inside. Let's change the font size to 30 pixels, for example. Let's make it bigger, 40 or 45. Okay, and also let's change the color to this nice green color there. So let's use our ColorZilla and just copy this color from there. Okay. That looks fine. Okay. And we don't want our text to look bold like this, so we're going to change the font weight and we'll set that to normal. Okay. And that looks nice. Now let's move to the paragraph. Okay. So again, we're going to access the box first using its ID introduction. and then we're going to access the paragraph. So first, let's change the font size and make it a little bit bigger. Let's try 20 pixels. Make it slightly bigger, 25. That looks all right. And also, let's change the color to this nice green color. This pick is using colors here. That looks okay. Not really. Let's pick the right color. Okay, that looks all right. And finally, let's change the align property of our paragraph to justify. Okay. Now we don't need our border for the container, so that just gets rid of it.